Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lovely squishies. They're great fun to play with, a wonderful sensory toy for all ages, and also very good stress relief. So first of all, you just need the top of a bottle, which I've cut one here. You can see it, and I'm just going to be placing the balloon on the top like this. And inside the balloon, I'm going to be putting some slime, which I've made. I'll be putting a video in the description box on how to make slime if you don't know how to make it, and you can follow that to make the slime that you would like. So I'm going to be placing the slime bit by bit inside the balloon. You can use a pen or the end of a brush to poke it in. Once you have finished putting all the slime inside, it's already taking shape, and you just want to tie the end and then cut off any excess. So there you go, you've got your sensory toy already. Now you'll need some netting. I ate some fruit and I got these nettings, and I'm going to be using these. You can use anything, you can use tights, you can use anything that you've got that's kind of similar. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing it around like so, and I'm just going to be cutting off the bit that I don't want. Just cutting it off, and then you just want to do this to tie it. And I've used a different colored slime to the balloon itself, so when you do this you can see a different color coming through. So much fun. I am completely soaked because I was trying to do one that had water inside with glitter, and it was wonderful at first, but then it burst on me, and that's why I'm completely wet. I'm completely soaked. But I just want to show you that you can experiment and place lots of different things inside, and maybe water wasn't such a great one, but I'm going to try now with some pom-poms, just different colored pom-poms. Maybe I'll blow it a bit. There you go, that's better. So I've just left some air inside, and I think it's absolutely wonderful, and it's very colourful, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's fantastic. But really what I wanted to show you is that you can do it with absolutely anything. Just try lots of different things inside and experiment. I tried it with rice, and I've tried it with dry chickpeas, and that also worked very well, and each one gives you a different sensory experience, which is wonderful. I absolutely love that. These are another few examples. This one's made out of lentils. Oh wow, you get a completely different sensory feel and sound. And this one is made out of dried chickpeas. You get a completely rough sensory experience with this one. It's great. So I've had fun making this episode and playing with my squishies. They're both great fun to play with. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Take good care of yourself as always. Bye bye. Let me just warn you, this one was quite a messy and difficult one to do. Do not want to do that.